First of all, what is snoring? It's the vibration of some muscles in the mouth, most specifically the palate and uvula. The tonsils may be responsible for amplifying the noises, and also nasal obstruction may contribute to the problem. But mostly snoring is a vibration of some muscles in the mouth. Surgery is not necessary. When someone consults for this problem, it's because the spouse or partner is this problem had become annoying. So when it's necessary to correct this situation, there are different possibilities. First of all, we have to have a good examination to assess what structure is responsible for these vibrations. And there are simple procedures to do, either under local anesthesia or under general anesthesia. It's possible to use a laser as a knife to reduce the size of the uvula and also the soft palate. Occasionally it's necessary to go under general to remove tonsils if they are swollen, if they contribute to the problem. The technique we have to choose depends on the anatomical structures responsible for these vibrations. First of all, it's important to respect the function of the palate. And of course, we can expect at least 80 to 90% reduction of the vibrations, but we still have to respect the function of the palate to prevent side effects, consequences that would be troublesome. The presence of the partner during the first evaluation gives us some information about problems that may be associated to snoring. And mostly, it's important to assess to what gravity the snoring is implicated.